Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a Binance P2P merchant account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In order to do so, you first have to come to Binance.com and then you just have to log in into your Binance account. Now once you have done that, you need to hover over Trade and you will have to click on the P2P option. Once you have done that, you will be landed on this type of page where you are going to see the requirement of applying for the P2P merchant. So here you need to read the merchant application criteria, and if you think that you are eligible for it, then you will have to tap on the Apply Now button at the bottom. Once done, your application will be submitted and the Binance customer support team is going to contact you and tell you about whether your application is approved or rejected. So you just have to wait for some time until you get any response. And once you are approved, then you just have to follow further instructions. So that's basically how you can create a Binance P2P merchant account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.